to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create ChatGPT workflows for a freelancer. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create ChatGPT workflow for freelancer, you need to simply define a desired output, write a detailed step-based prompt, and then iterate to refine the process. So I'm just gonna create a workflow for freelancers. So once you write this prompt and simply hit the arrow button, now your ChatGPT will give you a complete workflow for freelancing. So it will create repeatable tasks, templates, and checklists for you. You can also use ChatGPT to break down projects into smaller tasks and leverage automation tools like Zypher or custom GPTs to connect different services. Always, you need to review and edit the AI's output to align with your client's need and personal brand voice. So, if you have any work in your freelancing job, then you can simply give some prompt to ChatGPT and it will simplify it and create a workflow. I hope you found this video helpful. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.